Say good morning. Say we have plenty of light outside today. And here I am. Say I have a nice white chest, and this little paw right here, it's kind of brown. This one's white. A very handsome face. You ready to get down and go play? Say good morning. No? What? We'll play in a minute. Stand there and let them look at you. Say hi. Oh, you see the birds? Huh? What? Good boy. Say pretty stripes. Say got lots of them. Very handsome. Hi, buddy. Hello. You want to play? Hey. You want to play? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Follow. Come on. There you go. Let's go. Come on. Over this way. Huh? Yeah. What? Okay. See, now we calm down. Say hi, everybody. And Paw? Huh? Paw? Give me. No? Good boy. Yes. Ready? Hey. Let's go. Come on. Wait. What are you doing? My shoe? Whoops. Hey, I'm a good baby. Are you a good baby? Okay, say we have to go to work. So, hope you like me. Give me a call, send an email. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.